How to avoid stopped out. In this case, the price open with gap up, as you can see, the previous day above the support, and from here the price go down with four red candle. With this bullish engulfing, I got it in call. I put my stop loss right here, like always, below the candle. However, the price went against me sharply. With this red candle, I abandoned this position because when you enter in call or input, if the price goes against you sharply, never resist, accept that the trade didn't work, because this way you're going to reduce your losses. For that reason, instead the price goes down and hit your stop loss, always cut losses quickly. This is the best way to survive in the trading. The price hit the support, goes up, goes down again, and goes down. This candle right here, as you can see, before was a total red candle and became in green. Plus, this is weak rejection. This means the buyer took the control and pushed the price up. In this candle, I got it in call because, as I mentioned, this candle was completely in red. I got in the candle. My stop loss always below the candle, because if the price go down, I won't accept losses. And when the price hit this time, this level, this is resistance, because before was support, now it is resistance. I exit right here, and from when you see a small green candle and red candle, very petite candle, the best way is to watch. Never force a trade, because when there is no nothing to trade, the best way is sitting on your hand. This is the best way. And from here, as you can see, the price was sideways, nothing interesting to trade. One more time, never force a trade. Remember, tomorrow will be a new day, because in the market always there is opportunities. And one more time before wrap up the video, never resist when the price goes against you. Never resist, because if you just say, hey, the price is going to turn its direction and go up. Look, what happens if I say no, the price is going to change its direction? No, the price never changed its direction. The price went down. For that reason, never resist and accept small losses. One more time, never, never resist and always accept that this trade not work. And at the end of the day, you will know that You did a good job. And until here is my video. Thanks for watching.